Hello, my friends. I welcome all of you back to my Southern Kitchen and my cooking channel, Ellen's Homemade Delights. Today's recipe, I'm going to share with all of y'all perfect old-fashioned chocolate chip cookies. And my friends, these are so simple and easy to make, soft and chewy, chocolatey, and as always, it is the bomb.com delicious. And if y'all craving chocolate chip cookies, this is your go-to recipe. Everybody's going to love and enjoy these. And they were sure to make your mouth water. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And for more cookie recipes, check out my cookies recipes playlist and my previous video, Chocolate Pizza. I'll post a link to those down below in the description box. So grab your butter, your chocolate chips, and your cookie scoop sugar, because we're about to bake some chocolate chip cookie magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright, my friends, the first step we're going to do is prep our dry ingredients. In my bowl, I have 2½ cups of all-purpose flour. And then to our flour, we're going to add in 1 teaspoon of baking soda and ½ teaspoon of salt. And give it a quick whisk until it's well combined. You can also sift them. Alright, so now we're going to set the dry ingredients aside while we work on the wet ingredients. In my large bowl, I have 1½ sticks of unsalted butter and ½ stick of margarine that I let come to room temperature. And then to our butter and margarine, we're going to add in 1 cup of packed light brown sugar and ½ cup of white sugar. And we're going to cream these on medium speed until they're fluffy. Alright, my friends, to our butter and sugar, we're going to add in 2 extra large eggs at room temperature. Add them in one at a time. Beating after each egg. Mix this in until it's well incorporated. Now we're going to add in 2 teaspoons of pure vanilla extract. Continue mixing until it's well blended. Alrighty, my friends, now we're going to add in our flour mixture. We're just going to dump it in. And again, going to mix it in until it's well blended. And I have my speed on low, so that way we don't make a mess. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and finish mixing up my dough, and I'll bring you back. Alrighty, my friends, I'm through mixing up my dough. And this is what it looks like. Nice and thick. Perfect. Now there's one more thing we got to add to it. The star of the show. The chocolate chips. I'm using 2 cups. I'm using 1 cup each of dark chocolate chips and milk chocolate chips. Or you can do all dark chocolate, all milk chocolate, or semi-sweet, half milk, half semi-sweet, whatever your heart desire. We're just going to fold the chocolate chips in. Love the smell of chocolate. These are going to be so sinful. What's your favorite kind of chocolate, my friends? Let me know down below in the comment section. Alright, as soon as I get through folding in my chocolate chips, I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, I'm through folding in my chocolate chips. Now we're ready to form them into cookies. We're going to place them on a 9 by 13 inch cookie sheet that I lined with parchment paper. And using my ice cream scoop, I'm going to take a dollop of the dough. Like so. I'm just going to place it onto the cookie sheet. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and finish with the rest of my cookies and I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, I got all my cookie dough onto my pan. So now we're going to place them in the refrigerator. I'm going to let them sit for about 10 minutes until they're firm. Alright, my friends, our cookie dough is nice and firm. Perfect. Now we're ready to put them in the oven. Oven's preheated to 350 degrees. We're going to let them bake for about 10 minutes. And I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, I have taken my cookies out of the oven. And it smells amazing. Nothing like the smell of freshly baked cookies. And you see how nice and golden brown they are around the edges? That's what you're looking for. So now I'm going to let them cool for about 7 minutes and then I'll plate them up. Alright, my friends, there you have it. Homemade chocolate chip cookies. Don't that look good? So now I'm about to fix me up a plate and I'll give it a taste. Alright, my friends, I fixed me up a plate. And of course, you can't have chocolate chip cookies without a good old glass of cold milk. Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Look at that. Look at this cookie. And look at the chocolate chips just oozing out of there. Have a bite. Chewy. And I could taste the dark chocolate chips and the milk chocolate chips. And nice and buttery. These are amazing, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. Yum-o. Chocolate chip cookie-licious. My friends, I want to thank all y'all for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, follow me on social media, Facebook, Ellen's Homemade Delights, and Instagram at Ellen Delights. And don't forget to hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights. And to purchase a cookbook along with your picture, please send me an email, ellenshomemadedelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. And I'll see you next time. Let's eat and much love.